I don't know what is this supposed to be. Funny. She fell, that's what she gets. Even a child, what is wrong with people? Her name's Beeline and they still wear diapers. What do people want God to be? Like someone wasn't like, what the heck? They got that on camera. Do you want to watch what happened in slow motion edition? Pause in the name of the law. That's all he gets. Late people got that on camera. Yep. Slow motion. Pause. Leave me to say. That's what she gets. Kids, you actually try not to let fall challenge. Mama, if someone posts the coughing video on YouTube, I'm gonna fall and trip. I swear, I'm gonna fall on these roller skates. Jay didn't fall. The child is trying not to fall. Try that again. Oh darn it, he just moved. Oh! That Elwood just came out of nowhere. She's gonna fall. Prepare for the worst, people. It's fake. That's stupid. Let's start again. Cut. It's fake. Baby girl's fake. It's. Dang it! Sorry, you got so scared. Okay, he lost. That ice skate just came out of nowhere. Score! It's gonna break. Prepare for the worst, people. You flinched. What if he jumps out the window? He can do it. Well, almost. Okay, what if he falls down and trips over something? Everybody got that on camera. Look at the camera. Baby boy, look at the camera. Look at the camera. Look at the camera, boy. Look at the camera. Yeah. He's alright. How adorable is that? That was too fast. Okay, we lost. The ball here makes you want to try not to fall. What if he's that? Window. That broken imaginary window just came out of nowhere. Ah, it's gonna break. Prepare for the worst, people. It's fake. Baby girl's fake. It's. Ah, dang it. My gosh. He flinched. My mama got so scared. Alright, she lost. Shoot. Ah, he fell. That scared her. People don't have to, to get scared. It's alright. See? That still makes me flinch. People don't know what this is supposed to be. Even the boy. What is wrong with people? That's what they get. They didn't trip. Baby boy, you still got it. He lost. It's gonna break. Prepare for the worst, people.